bit more practice with composites. But like I said, we did it last semester. But let's cover it now for the students that I have that I didn't have last semester. Okay, G of H of N, so no number. You're going to get a functional answer. You're going to get an expression. You're not going to get a number, okay? Because the what's being substituted is a variable. You're going to take H and you're going to plug it into G, right? Okay, G is your skeleton. So if G of N is 3n plus 2, I'm going to just put a big space saver for where the n variable is going to get substituted. And so what do I put in place of there? The h function, which is n cubed minus 2n. So that's it. N cubed minus 2n. Okay, it's not cleaned up, but it's perfect. It's just not cleaned up. So what's the one thing I can do? Multiply. Yeah, distribute. Go ahead and distribute that 3 into this grouping, right? So I get 3n cubed minus 6n plus 2, and that is your G of H of n. And that's it. That's it, you guys. Oh, I'm sorry, you can't even see. How could it get more difficult if they put in another n and there's more to clean up? The messy part is if the cleanup has multiple substitutional variables, and so then you have to clean it up. That's the only hard part. The substitution is easy. It's making sure that you combine them correctly. So tomorrow I'll put 2 up when you guys come in, and they'll be a little bit more difficult where they'll have multiple variables, and that's it. But okay, this coming test, you guys will see on the team quiz on Monday. Tomorrow I'm just going to do work with you guys. Monday you guys will have the team quiz. The tables will be put in 4s. Yeah, be here on time. There's going to be, I think with the composites, I think I'm going to have 5 multiple choice questions on there because I realized some of this stuff can be really time consuming if you're a little bit like, you can make one minor error and then you're just like, well, I don't know, did I do it right, did I do it wrong? So on this coming test, you'll have like 5 multiple choice questions on there, okay? So that way, even if you were to make a minor error, you can at least see, is it A, B, C, or D, okay? If you pick the multiple choice with no work to support it, meaning there's nothing written, there'll be a big square. It's less points, like say it's at a 1 point, but if you have the work that shows the correct A, B, C, D, it's worth like 3 points. Okay. So it'll still encourage you guys to do the work and not just take a guess, but at least if you guess correctly, you get something. Yeah? Yeah, okay, so tomorrow I'll give you harder ones, but that's it. Okay.